What's going on, everyone? Extreme Jordan here with yet another great installation video by our good friends at LockerDown USA. Behind me I have a 21 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport that we're going to drop in a safe in the center console. So without further ado, let's do this install. Alright guys, so to do this easy installation right here, all we're going to need is we're going to need three items. We're going to need a cordless impact, we're going to need a T30 Torx bit, and a 10mm socket. I like to use extensions on them because it's easier to grab and reach. So let's do this. So for starters, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the factory mat. No longer need that at all. We're going to use the T30 Torx that I told you about. Remove. There's two bolts in there. Put those to the side. Now we have available slots. Okay, so now what we're going to use our 10mm socket, and we're going to install the LockerDown safe. So what's great about this is an easy drop-in, nice safe provided by our friends at LockerDown. This is the digital safe right here. So as I mentioned before in previous videos, it comes with nice instructions here in the kit. And what you want to do is you want to put in their code that they give you, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you'll hear it beep. You pull the knob, lift up, and it will show you the available two slots right here. You're going to literally grab the safe, drop it in the center console as shown. You'll see that you can see the two parts that need to hold it down. They provide you with two 10mm bolts. Take your impact and make sure they're nice and snug. Don't over tighten like anything, you'll break it. And there you have it. Our safe is fully installed, ready to go. Quick and easy, just like that. Drop it down, lock it, you're good to go. So now that our LockerDown safe is fully installed, since this is the digital safe, they provide really nice, thorough instructions right here to reprogram it to the digit code that you like. Now for starters, what you want to do is you want to punch in the same digit code that they give you, which is 1 through 8, press OK to unlock. But in this case, you want to program your own code, of course. So you're going to do 1 through 8, you're going to press C for clear, and then you can put up to an 8-digit code. It does not have to be an 8-digit, but you can put up to an 8-digit code. Press OK, it will reprogram the safe, and you're good to go. All right, guys, just like I showed you in that previous install video, super easy installation on this Volkswagen. 2 bolts, it's in, nice snug. LockerDown made it super convenient, super easy to store all your personal belongings, and also, of course, the installation is super easy. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe my video. Make sure you follow LockerDown USA as well. Take care.